Today, you have conducted the meeting of the Congress bloc. So, what were the topics discussed?
Basically, today in Kalangut, under the leadership of the Block Congress President here, Lawrence G, with in the presence of PCC President Amit Patkarji and all other leaders from the constituency, we had discussed about how to strengthen the organization in Kalangut more and how to go about uh, to voice out the people's voice on the roads through the organization by voicing for land issues or the electricity issue, the road issues, as well as the license issues, which is the main issue which is hampering the locals of Kalangut here. So we discussed on those lines with all the party leaders present.
आमिर बाब मायकल लोबो जो आसा एमएलएन ताणें एक स्टेटमेंट केला की तो मांद्रे कॉन्टेस्ट करता म्हणून काँग्रेसीचो नवो फेस कोण आसतलो कळंगुटान
न्ही कशें आहा पळय एक गद्दार नॉट ओन्ली मायकल बट हे 8 जाणांक आज कळना की ते परत जिखचे ना म्हणून हे हुंदरा सारके तो आतां म्हणटा आपूण मांद्रे रावता आनी कितें रावता दॅट इज इरेलेवंट. काँग्रेस पक्ष हो सदां लोकांक घेवन मुखार वचपी पक्ष. आमचे हांगाचे जे अध्यक्ष आसात बाब लॉरेन्स आनी ताची पुराय जी ब्लॉक कमिटी आसा तांचे कडेन आज विस्तारान आमचे सेक्रेटरी इन्चार्ज डॉक्टर अंजली निंबाळकर हांणी चर्चा केल्या आनी कोण फेस आसचो हे म्हाका दिसता ताका अजून टायम आसा. आमची हांगा ब्लॉक कमिटी बऱ्या पद्दतीन काम करता. हे लोकसभेक सुद्दां तांणी दाखोवन दिलें की हांगा विश्वासघात करून गेल्ले आमदार सुद्दां हांगा काँग्रेस पक्षाक लीड मेळिल्ली आसा. म्हाका खात्री आसा की जे फुडले इलेक्शन येतले ते योग्य पद्दतीन काँग्रेस पार्टी जो योग्य मनीस कलंगूटच्या जनतेक जो जाय तो पक्ष तांकां दितलो.
घेवपाक सोदता जाल्यार
म्हाका दिसता ताजेर स्टँड पार्टीचो व्हेरी क्लियर आसा की हे 8 जे गेल्या हांकां आमी क्लियर कट सांगिल्लें अशें हांकां परत पार्टीन प्रवेश ना. हे 8 न्ही जे 10 पयलीं गेल्ले किंवा जे गद्दार आसात जांणी पार्टी कडेन धोका केल्लो आसा हांकां फ्रंट डोर बॅक डोर सायड डोर सगळे दार बंद हे आमी स्पश्ट केल्ले आसात. ताजेर आनी उलोवन परत कांय अर्थ ना.
शाहू बाब आयज तुमची ब्लॉक मिटींग जाली तातूंत डॉक्टर अंजली जो सेक्रेटरी आसा ते आयले कितें पॉयंट अशें डिस्कस करपाक.
बेसिकली ते डॉक्टर अंजली आमचे इंट्रॅक्शन बेसिकली वर्करांनी विचारूंक येयल्ली. सो आमच्या वर्करांनी तेजे वर आपले विचार मांडल्या कितें जाल्लें आहा लास्ट टायम कशें जाल्लें आहा इलेक्शनाक टिकेटी कोणाक दिल्ल्यो आहा विच वॉज नॉट फेअर आनी तेजे वर तेंच्यांनी तेंचे वर तांकां विचारलेलें आहा खंय कितें जातलें ह्या फुडें म्हणून कितें आन्सर दिल्ले आहा तेजे वयर.
Vic, what do you want to say on the meeting?
See, Majlispan party organizationally they are very active because in the past 1 year or 2 years I think since Amit Patkar has taken charge of GPCC, Majlispan एक जवळ एक 10 माइज meetings where I think party president has visited the constituency more than 6 times and our in charge also has visited the constituency a couple of times. So now as we are coming close to the 2027 elections, party is doing rounds in all constituencies and we are happy that the response from our party leadership is that Kalangut is one of the most strong constituencies in terms of organization, in terms of booth management, in terms of leadership. So I believe that this time the organization that we have is working for the people and they are voicing their grievances. Majlispan आता झाले ते टायमान आमच्यांनी पयला सिंपल गोष्टी जावं ते रस्ते जावं नाजाल्यार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जावं नाजाल्यार वॉटर सप्लाय जावं लोकांक हे गोष्टी अजून पासून पावना म्हळ्यार हूंय तरी द इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह हॅज फेल्ड आनी त्यात हितून संदर्भान लोकांनी एक वारो क्रिएट केला आनी आमकां एक संदी दिला की तुमी काँग्रेस ऑर्गनायझेशन आहा ते स्ट्रॉंग करचे अँड वी हॅव ऑल्सो पुट आउट दीस issues to the party leadership and they are going to take
Any
action.
any names where decided by the Congress, or who will be the next candidate face?
Well, there is a strong message that has come across from party leadership as well as the in charge herself has said that there is no entry for anyone other than the organization. We have faced it in the last elections of the defection, and coming forth, both party president as well as observer has given us assurance that this is not history is not going to repeat itself. And I think they are very much happy with the performance also, because in the last Lok Sabha election, Kalangod constituency has given a lead of around about 2,500 plus votes, which is a big margin, and that speaks all. So I believe the seeds that we born are already bearing the fruits.